for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, front-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated front driver and passenger seats, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, panic alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.